Morning, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers, the chosen contractor for Alyssa show for Allstate. I'm going to be conducting a repair test on this shingle. The shingle I will be using is this one right here, architectural with the same dimensions. This is the shingle that I will be repairing. All right. Let's go. I will have to pull these nails up to get this shingle out to fasten the other shingle, the one I will be replacing. Shingle is out. And already tore shingle over here. These shingles are really brittle. For me to get that one in, I have to see if there's any nails. These nails are pretty hard to get out because there's a 3-tab system underneath the architectural. And as I'm pulling those nails out, this shingle above it is completely falling apart. Shingle is in place. I will have to fasten this shingle back down before I fasten this one. And for me to get a nail in the area where I fastened the shingle down, just by me pulling this up, the shingle just cracked in half. It's pretty dry rotted. also falling apart just by me lifting it up to get the nails fastened on these two shingles. As you can see right here, and right there just for me lifting it. These shingles are very brittle. All right, I'll fasten the shingle that I'm repairing. So, as I replaced this shingle, just lifting up this shingle to fasten these existing shingles down, it caused these tabs on top of the architectural to rip off or tear apart. Here, I'll show you. So, as I was fastening these nails down, damage right there. Damage right here. Same thing with these. As I fasten this one down, this completely ripped up. All of them did. And it also is kind of hard to see, but these shingles are really brittle, so it did leave marks creasing on the shingle itself. So with this, I would say this is a failed repair test. If we try to repair on any other shingles, it will damage the other shingles around it. Thank you.